Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. J'apprends le français avec Vincent. And in this video, we'll discover together les participes passés qui finissent en INT. So the past participles that will end with INT. Okay, so let's have a look at them. Atteindre, atteint. Okay, so this nasal is quite tricky. Tricky. Normally students can have some difficulties because they're a bit stressed to see this E-N. Phonetically, it's un. Atteindre, and same thing here, atteint. Okay, remember final T is not pronounced. Atteint. Okay, so atteindre, atteint. Craindre, craint. And even if you write it differently, the sound is exactly the same as we had previously. Un, craindre, same thing here, craint. Okay, final T not pronounced. Craindre, craint. Éteindre, éteint. Okay, so one more time. Atteindre, atteint. Craindre, craint. Éteindre, éteint. Joindre, joint. Okay, here you have this O-I-N, ouin sound. Joint, joindre. Okay, same thing here, but then final T not pronounced, so joint. Okay, so joindre, joint. Peindre, peint. Plaindre, plaint. Okay, so one more time. Joindre, joint. Peindre, peint. Plaindre, plaint.